Hello friends, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to focus on how to use the line, rectangle and circle commands in Creo parametric 5.0 version. So without wasting time, let's get started. Just open your Creo parametric software and take the new file, and during taking new file, as usual, just unclick this, click on OK. Just keep this type in a part and the subtype as a solid, okay, because we will understand this by creating any parts. Click on OK. Next, click on this millimeters, click on OK. System is generated this interface. This is the working interface with all the planes. On the front plane will work. First of all, click on the model, and for understanding that two command, we are required to have a sketch. Select the sketch and then click on this sketch view, and here you can see in the sketch tab all active commands you can see over here. As this is the fourth video, and you can see the single video for single commands, and the video on every command of Creo parametric you can get in this channel. On these constraints, this video you can get on my channel, and after that the basics of the Creo you will get on my channel. So first of all, here is the line command, here is the second one rectangle, and third one circular command. Okay, so after getting one by one command in deep, how to draw, how to play with that commands, and what is the purpose of that commands, only after that you will be able to draw the drawings with a fastly, and will get deep knowledge about that commands. Okay, so first of all, here just click on this line command. Here you can see two lines commands are there, line chain and line tangent. Okay, so in this line chain and line tangent, how to perform, just click on this line chain. After clicking on, you will be able to draw the line like this. Here the command is in active phase, click here, here the line is generated, and take this another point here, just click, the first line is created, then drag your cursor and just click another location like this. Here the continuous line you can generate by using this command. Okay, and just close this circle, close this drawing, and for deactivating just click on escape. Okay, after that command drawing will be line will not going to take any path, but still command is active. So for closing that command also, just press the middle button of your mouse 2 times. Okay, automatic dimension is generated by the system. And next, here another one command is there, line tangent. Okay, firstly we saw this command line chain. Now the next we'll see this line tangent. So first of all, just press Ctrl Z. Okay, and then take this command for line tangent. For perform this line tangent, we required to have the two tangent surfaces. Okay, so for that, click on the circle. I will draw two center circle point, two circles by using the center and point circle method. Click on this center circle, draw the first circle like this, and this is the second. Just click, circle automatically you created by clicking anywhere. Here the circle is, another circle is created. Double click on your cursor, middle button of the mouse, automatic dimension is created. And then next, which command we will going to perform, this line tangent command. Okay, so how this command is playing with this, the tangent, and how to use it. Click on the line tangent, and here you can see also select start location on arc or circle. Okay, so just click just go over this circle and click, take any point like this. Here you can observe one point is and one point with line is created. and after moving, this point is also moving. Why this is moving? Because this is the tangent to the circle. Okay, so it should always be the tangent point by this line, so that's why this point is moving with this. Okay, so this will be the line drawn tangent from first circle to the second circle. Here you can see, just click over here, this will be the second tangent point. Okay, so the tangent line is created between these two circles. Okay, so as this name indicates, the tangent. Okay, tangent means any curved surface, and there will be only single point of contact between that line or the circle. Okay, so just take this command again, I will show you. Take this point, first point, and this second point. Okay, here you can observe one point is created. Okay, like this. This is the only single point which is tangent to this circle to another circle. Okay, and the next command is two command we saw already, and next command is the rectangle. In rectangle total 3 to 4 commands are there, so these are only simple commands. Just press Ctrl Z and then click on the rectangle. First rectangle is of the type corner rectangle, so click on the corner rectangle. So this rectangle will be generated only from the corner by initiating by taking the first point as a starter, like this. Click first point. From here the rectangle is started to generate, either upside, either downside. Okay, like this. Just select this second point. Okay, now here you can create more and more rectangles by taking this is as the first point and this as the second point. That's why it's called as a corner rectangle, because it started to generate or initiate from the corner point. Okay, and the next rectangle is slanted rectangle. So as this name shows, and here symbol is over there, this slanted rectangle is generated. Click on the command, take the any point and select any point. Okay, like this. Okay, and take this another point. Okay, so again I am going to draw this in inclined direction, like this. Here you can see the slanted rectangle is generated over here. Again the next to the center rectangle, by the name it says self indicates, this generates from the center point of this rectangle. Just take any point like this, click here. Here rectangle is generated from center, like this. Okay, just press Ctrl Z and then we'll next move toward the parallelogram. Click on the parallelogram, take the first point, this is the second point. By using this parallelogram shape we can create by using this parallelogram command. Okay, we saw these different types of rectangle over here, and next we'll move toward this type of the circles. Total 3 to 4 types of circle you can draw. The first one is center endpoint. As we already used center, it will started to generate from the center point. Okay, click on this, take any point, take this point, click on this point, and the circle itself is started to generate whatever you wanted to in diameter or radius. You can generate. Just take this another any random distance, click at a second point, and then the middle cursor point, double click, then diameter automatically generated by the system for this. And after clicking on any dimension you can edit all those dimensions. Okay, so this was the first circle, and the second circle is concentric. Concentric by name it indicates whether any object is there, the concentric part will be generated. Okay, only for circle. First of all select this circle and then click on the sketch and then take this concentric. Okay, so just click on the circle. Here same circle is generated by concentric to this, like this. Again I will create again more and more circles. Okay, like this. It will be continuous process. For closing, just press the escape or the middle button of your mouse button, and the next circle is 3-point circle. Okay, 3-point, it indicates it's generated by 3-point. Click on 3-point circle, and then next take the first point. This is the second point. Saying the circle is generated either this direction or either this direction, and this will be the third one point. Okay, and next and the last is the 3 tangent. 3 tangent, its name indicates we required 3 lines or 3 point where it will be tangent. Okay, so take this tangent command. I will take this point, and then we'll take this second point. By taking these 2 tangent point, already circle is generated. Now required third one tangent point. I will select this rectangle face as a tangent. So by taking these 3 tangent point, first one, this is the second one, this is the third one point, the circle is generated, tangent circle is generated over here. So we saw in this video the line command, rectangle command, and the circle command. Okay, so for today it's enough, and definitely tomorrow is Friday. On Friday and Saturday Sunday we'll make some more videos on that. So let's be with me, and kindly subscribe the channel. And in the next video I will make this the video on this command: arc, ellipse, splines, fillet, chamfer, takes, stops, and different commands are there. Okay, so thank you very much friend for watching for the full video, and kindly hit the bell icon. You can get all the notification of the channel, and thank you very much.